let's learn this song, Tell Me What You Want by Dacelynn. It's got a real kind of like 80s throwback sound to the guitar. Got like a chorus, a very clean, jazzy sound. And starts out on the chorus. And the chorus is A major 7, F major 7, C major 7, F. So let's go over those shapes. But then before we get to that, let's talk about the verse. Yeah, the verse is more played like with just with like power chords. Doesn't have those extension chords. So that's just A, F, C, F. That's the verse. Okay, the chorus, the A major 7 is like, it's like the A chord, except you play the G string on the first fret. So it makes a triangle that's pointing towards your headstock. You play strings 5 through 1. And then I'm playing the F major 7 like this. I think this is the easiest form of the major 7. We're just barring 5th fret on the top 3 strings, and then this is the bass note on the 3rd fret. That's the F. And then C major 7, you might know that one. You just play the C without your index finger. Then you go back to the F. And the song ends on A. Okay, have fun playing that one. Thanks for watching. Bye.